So you want to go live into Instagram. So there is a few tools that you must need to take in mind if you wanted to go live directly into Instagram live. So before you hit the like button, there's a major update that you needed to know into the 2026. So we're going to be using this article that is directly live for Instagram in order to get started. So start a live broadcast into Instagram. The first and the setup in the practice mode. To start, you wanted to tap the plus icon and swipe the button menu all the way to the live element that you might be seeing directly into your profile into the option that says plus. So in my case, we can choose the option that says live video. So there is a way how you can go live with your phone, but if you are like me into an let's say into a laptop, you are not going to be able to do it. So what you can do is to go live connecting your choice of streaming software. For example, let's say add a title, and let's say that I go from Mario Odyssey gameplay, right? And the audience will be public. When I hit for next, what's going to happen directly into my Instagram account is going to be giving me a streaming software. A streaming software is an actual unique software that can be helping you to use that information and put it directly live into Instagram. So right now I am using OBS to make the capture of this specific video, but this can be working almost as if we are actually making the streaming elements. So what I need to do is to choose this streaming URL, this stream key, copy this information and paste it directly into my this specific software. If you wanted to go live like almost anybody does directly in there, basically what you need to do is to start here, for example, with the go live button and go for enable, for example, the comment button, commanded pen tab, managing the live route, and you're actually good to go. Right now, if you wanted to collab, for example, you can invite up to guests to join your live rooms, the split screen, and alert their followers too. If you're using a computer and you wanted to go live using your computer, what you can do is to use an actual emulator. For example, there's BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a chain of cloud-based cross-platform that can be helping you to do this process without having to get your own phone. So what you need to do is to install here the BlueStacks. You just hit into double click here into the option that says yes. Let's go for continue, accept and install. And what you can do is just to sign in into your Instagram account, just as we just did before, directly here into the BlueStacks, so you can go live directly. Now there is an actual rumor that you needed to get 1,000 followers before to have access to the Instagram live. So far there is no. So far Reddit says that Instagram requires a public account and more than 1,000 followers to start a live element. So this change rolled out until August 2025. So you might see that you might be having a little bit more of eligibility to go live. For example, here we have an actual account into Instagram that have 0 posts, 0 followers, 0 following, and we do have the actual element to start an actual live video. So I think that this is totally depending into the country you're currently living, so you might want to be taking that in mind when you generate this kind of elements. So guys, with this being said, we have no to bring into the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how you can get started with the Instagram going in live. So when you're done with your actual video, you can keep to tap the X button, and you should see the video will be appearing now into the show profiles live to your grid, and you can also download the video to the chop it onto the best of the reels later. So make sure that you have those 1,000 followers, the practice mode, engage in the Q&As, and just in case you want to check out the eligibility, you can type just eligibility Instagram and the country you are currently living. Eligibility Instagram live, and you can check out the eligibility. Only Instagram users who have public account with more than 1,000 followers. So that's totally depending on the country you're currently living, but there's almost for everybody like this, right? So thank you once again guys for watching, and well, hopefully we can all see you next time. See you soon.